JEE Mains 24 में से ये क्वेश्चन आया था. क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम फंक्शन चैप्टर. तो देखते हैं यहाँ पे एफ ऑफ एक्स इक्वल्स टू एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स टू द पावर 4 ब्रैकेट टू द पावर 1 बाय 4 और हमें फाइंड आउट करना है जी ऑफ एक्स जो कि एक कंपोजिट फंक्शन है. तो वो कंपोजिशन है एफ ऑफ एक्स and we have to find integration 18 into 0 to under root 2 root 5 x square g of x. Now let's solve for g of x. So just putting composition function, we will get f of x in the denominator 1 plus f of x bracket to the power 4 and whole bracket to the power 1 by 4. Now let's solve for this f of x. So f of x is equals to f of x divided by 1 plus f of x to the power 4 and whole bracket to the power 1 by 4. Now f of x is x upon 1 plus x to the power 4 and whole bracket to the power 1 by 4. Similarly, in the denominator, we can write 1 plus x upon 1 plus x to the power 4 bracket to the power 1 by 4. Now let's simplify, and numerator, in the numerator we have 1 upon x upon 1 plus x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4, and on taking LCM, we will get 1 plus x to the power 4 and here x to the power 4 bracket to the power 1 by 4, and denominator of denominator will be equals to numerator. So 1 plus x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4 get cancelled. Now we will have just x upon 1 plus 2 into x to the power 4 1 by 4. Now let's solve for f of x. So f of x is equals to x upon 1 plus 2x to the power 4 bracket to the power 1 by 4. In the denominator, 1 plus x upon 1 plus 2 into x to the power 4 bracket to the power 4 and whole bracket to the power 1 by 4. Let's simplify this step. Similarly, like previous step, we will get x upon 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 2 into x to the power 4. Let's see, LCM of 1 into 1 plus 2x to the power 4 will be 1 plus 2x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4. And similarly, we will get same bracket which will be get cancelled. So f of x is equals to x plus 1 upon 1 plus 3x to the power 4 bracket to the power 1 by 4. Now let's find out g of x. G of x will be equals to x upon 1 plus 3x to the power 4 bracket to the power 1 by 4. In the denominator, 1 plus x upon 1 plus 3x to the power 4 bracket to the power 1 by 4 whole bracket to the power 4 and again bracket to the power 1 by 4. On simplifying, we will get x upon 1 plus 3 into x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 4, and denominator of this step will be in I will write in numerator, and by taking LCM, similarly we will have 1 plus 3x to the power 4 plus x to the power 4 and bracket to the power 1 by 4. Now denominator of this term will be in numerator, and which is same, so get cancelled, and so we have g of x is equals to, which is f of x is equals to x upon 1 plus 4 x to the power 4 bracket to the power 1 by 4. Now let's solve for integration. Let I is equals to 18, integration varies from 0 to under root 2 under root 5, and in integration x square g of x. X square, we have g of x, x. So x upon 1 plus 4x to the power 4. So 0 to under root 5 will be x cube upon 1 plus 4x to the power 4, 1 by 4 into dx. Now, to solve this integration, we will put 1 plus 4x to the power 4 is equals to t to the power 4. Now, differentiate this term. We will get 16x cube dx is equals to 4t cube dt. Now, limit will be get changed. When x is equals to 0, then t is equals to 1, and when x is equals to under root 2 root into root 5, then t will be equals to, we have to find this term. So let's solve for this. So we have to find 1 plus 4x to the power 4. So take 1 plus 4 into x to the power 4, which is equals to t to the power 4, and x is under root 2 into root 5 to the power 4 is equals to t to the power 4, and 1 plus square root of 2, and again uh, under root 5 whole to the power 4 is 20, and 4 into 20 is 80, plus 1 is 81, and fourth root of 81 is 3. So t is equals to 3. These are our limit 1 to 3 for variable t. So integration varies from 1 to 3, and we have 4 by 16, and x cube into dx is equals to t to the power 3 into dt upon t. So integration t square dt and will be t cube by 3, and limit are 1 and 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 by 2, and cube of 3 is 27, minus cube of 1 is 1. So we have 3 by 2 into 26, and 13 2s are 26, and 13 3s are 39. So here is our final answer. Thank you.